So we will go for polynomial summary. So how to identify a polynomial? Identification of polynomials. What is how to identify a polynomial? An algebraic expression. An algebraic expression whose each term is having degree whole number. Degree whole number. So if degree is fraction or negative numbers, then it is not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. Example what are x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x. This is a polynomial. But root x plus 2x, this is not a polynomial. Similarly, x squared plus 1 by x squared. Here degree is here. This time degree is minus 2. So this is not a polynomial. So polynomial means what? An algebraic expression whose each term is having degree whole number. Now, highest power of variable in a polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Degree of the highest power of variable in a, suppose x cube by minus 2x squared plus 7x raised to 5. Here this time degree is 3, this time degree is 2, this time degree is 4. So highest power is what? 5. So degree is equal to what? Degree is equal to 5. Degree is equal to 5. So highest power of variable in a polynomial is called a degree of the polynomial. Now based on terms, there are three types of polynomials. One is what? Monomial, and second one is binomial, and third one is trinomial. First one is monomial, second one is binomial, third one is trinomial. So example, suppose 2x, this is a monomial. 2x plus 3x squared, this is a binomial. Trinomial means x squared plus 2x plus 7, this is a trinomial. Now based on degree, there are mainly three type of polynomial. One is what? Linear. Example x or 2x. What of it? Next, quadratic. Quadratic means what? Degree should be 2, x squared plus 2x minus 6. This is a quadratic polynomial. Next is what? A cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means what? Degree should be 3, x cube minus 8. This is a cubic polynomial. And one more is here. What is it? Biquadratic. Biquadratic means degree should be 4, x raised to 4 minus 7x. This degree is what? 4. So this is called what? Biquadratic polynomial. Now, zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? Zero polynomial means if a polynomial is having all term 0, 0x squared plus 0x plus 0. This is called what? Zero polynomial. Degree is what? Not defined. Degree is not defined. This is called what? Zero polynomial. Now, non-zero constant polynomial. non-zero constant non-zero constant polynomial means what? Here, suppose 2 or 100 or minus 6. All these are what? Non-zero constant polynomial. Because 2 we can write it as what? 2x raised to 0. 100 we can write 100x raised to 0. This is what? Minus 6x raised to 0. So here degree is what? Degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Now, next step. Generally, polynomial is denoted by P of x, Q of x, R of x, like that, etc. Now, value of a polynomial means, suppose P of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. You have to find out P of 0. P of 0 means what? 0 squared minus 2 into 0 plus 1. So, what is answer? 1. That is P of 2. 2 squared minus 2 into 2 plus 1. That is also what? 1. P of 6. P of 6 is what? 6 squared minus 2 into 6 plus 1. So 36 minus 12 plus 1. 37 minus 12. What is answer? 25. So this is what value of the polynomial. Now, let's go to value next. 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial means, suppose P of x is equal to x plus 1. What is P of minus 1? Minus 1 plus 1. What is answer? 0. So then we can say that x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of P of x. X is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of P of x. Now, for a linear number of zeros, for a linear polynomial, number of zeros is 1. For a quadratic polynomial, number of zeros is 2. For a cubic polynomial, number of zeros is 3. Okay. For a linear polynomial, number of zeros is 1. For a quadratic polynomial, number of zeros is 2. For a cubic polynomial, number of zeros is 3. Similarly, for a biquadratic polynomial, number of zeros is what? 4. Now, remainder theorem. If a polynomial px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is what? P of a. Similarly, if a polynomial px is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is what? P of minus a. Remainder theorem is what? If a polynomial px is divided by x minus a, then P of a is the remainder. P of a is the remainder. Here also P of a, P of minus a is the remainder. That we can extend some ways also. If a polynomial Px is divided by Ax plus b, then remainder is P of minus b by a. Similarly, if a polynomial Px is divided by Ax minus b, then remainder is what? P of b by a. This is called what? Remainder theorem. Now, factor theorem. Factor theorem is what? In a polynomial Px, if x minus a is a factor, then P of a is equal to 0. X minus a is a factor, x is equal to 0. Similarly, in a polynomial P of x, if x plus a is a factor, then what you can say? P of minus a is equal to 0. In a polynomial Px, if ax minus b is a factor, then what you can say? P of b by a is equal to 0. If ax plus b is a factor, then what, ax plus b is a factor, then what we can say, p of minus b by a is equal to 0. So we are applying factor theorem for factorization of quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Then another is what a middle term factorization. Middle term factorization is very important. Product sum. So that means we have to apply the formula this x plus a into x plus b. What is x plus a into x plus b? X squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here product is ab, sum is a plus b. So we have to apply what the reverse formula x plus a into x plus b. Now about identities. What is it? A plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What is a minus b the whole square? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. What is a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b is a squared minus b squared. What is a plus b plus c the whole square? A squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now, what is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. What is a minus b the whole cube? A cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. What is another formula? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Another formula is a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Now another is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is it? A plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ac. And another is if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what is a cube plus b cube plus c cube? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. Yesterday we have done a lot of problems. These are the important points in polynomial chapter. So first of all you go for a summary for this and if any doubt is there any problem then you can ask me. Tomorrow I will give assignment for this problem, for this chapter. Okay, thank you.